Hi, Miranda Wright Marketing, and I'm here to share with you something for you people that are struggling gaining an Instagram growth. I'm here to tell you one thing, and that's your Instagram following, the people that are liking or clicking on the heart on Instagram, they're completely pointless. I mean, the hearts in particular. I was once in the habit of taking photos every day to try and grow an Instagram growth because I wanted to use the 1 hour feature on Instagram, and that happens when you get so many followers, okay? So I was constantly trying to upload photos every day, several times a day, to gain that, to beat the algorithm and to get more followers so that I can get, I think it's 10,000 followers, so that I can get the 1 hour video time on Instagram TV, okay? So I had a particular purpose for trying to get followers. But the actual clicking on the hearts in particular, if you are a makeup artist, for example, what I find on Instagram is a lot of makeup artists, they're in these groups and they're posting photos of their work, okay? And each week there might be a different theme, okay? And they're posting photos of their work. And in the back of their mind, they're thinking that people are going to see their work and book them to do work. It doesn't work like that. So what should you do instead? Okay, you need to, because there's absolutely no benefit whatsoever to getting hearts on your Instagram photos. You're not going to get instant customers doing so. It's completely pointless, okay? So a quicker way to do that, instead of trying to grow an Instagram growth, okay, is to do a Facebook ad, okay? Facebook ad, Instagram ad, YouTube ad, whatever. You need to do some sort of ad, okay? So what should you put in that ad? Okay, you need a hook, a story, and I've got a lot of videos about how you can actually tell your story and why you need to tell stories, okay? So you need a hook, a story, an offer, and a call to action to that offer, okay? So you don't put in the ad the offer, but you do need to have an offer created, all right? So the hook, what's the hook? It is a catchy headline that is going to get the attention of your viewers, okay? They're going to click on it, a title. It's going to catch their eye and make them, they don't have any excuse but to click on that title, okay? And that's going to take them to your story. So the story is going to be a video of you talking about your story. And briefly, what should you put in that story? You need to tell a problem. And you're not speaking in the words of your customer. You are speaking about yourself when you're sharing your problem, okay? The problem that you have experienced personally that's driven you to why it is that you do what you do. If you're a makeup artist, perhaps you had, I'm just thinking off the top of my head, you were bullied at school, and when you got older you wanted to be beautiful, so you experienced you experimented with makeup, made yourself more beautiful, and then you wanted to share that experience with other people, make them beautiful so they did not have the same struggles that you had, okay? So that's an example of a problem that you will share, okay? You also want to provide the solution, which I just explained to you. The solution was you stumbled across makeup, so that was the solution, okay? So now you want to provide that solution for other people. So that's the solution. That's why it is you do what you do. Okay? In creating your story, there are other videos on YouTube you can go and watch where I can share with you a step-by-step process and how you can share your story. Okay? So that's what you're going to put in your story. A problem and the solution. Okay, so the offer. The offer is, you want to create an offer which is your product, okay, your main product. And what you want to put in this is how you're going to blow your competition out of the water, is you're going to offer some free things that also solve the same problem for your customer, okay? But is an additional thing, okay, to the actual product that you provide. Does that make sense? So a free, and what they call that is an offer stack. An offer stack, okay? So that's the offer. Now the call to action is simply a link that they will go to. The customer will click on your call to action, which is a link. And where is that link going to take them? Okay, I think that is that might be a topic for another video, but basically you need a platform, okay, that you're going to take your customers to. Okay, not necessarily a website, because websites are dead. You need some sort of sales funnel to take your customers through. Okay, so a link that takes them to a sales funnel or platform. Not a website, okay? And I will explain in more depth what that is in another video, okay? So basically that's what you should do instead of Instagram posts. Because focusing on Instagram posts is only going to hurt your business if you don't have this process. It's a straightforward process to take your customers through, where they will it drives them to a sale. And that's why you're in business, is to make money. So all this drives to a sale, okay? Instagram posts will not drive to a sale, okay? You need this process to actually put money into your pocket, okay? And that's why we're all here, okay? As well as to create impact and fulfillment for people as well as ourselves. Does that make sense? So hopefully that's been helpful to you. I'm Miranda Wright. If you liked my content, please like it, share and subscribe to this channel, because there's something I want to share with you. And that's a online training from Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson, as well as Gina Kutcher, who was the winner of last year's affiliate competition for Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, and Russell Brunson. She won the affiliate competition, therefore she is now a content creator. She's going to be sharing how she got successful with that competition she was in, okay? So that's what I'm sharing with you in the next video, because the registration's now open for the online training, and this online training will happen on the 27th of February, okay? So actually I'm going to put a link down below where you can click to go sign up for that training, because you really should do it now, because there's only so many spots available, and they've already got a lot of registrations. I can't remember how many, but it's insane. It's the biggest webinar or online training that's I've ever heard of, okay? So go check that out. It's record breaking. So I suggest you go click on the link and put your email in below so that you can receive information about the free online training from Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi and Russell Brunson and Gina Kutcher. Okay, so and that will teach you, I should share with you what it will teach you. It will teach you how to use what it is that you already know to create impact and fulfillment for other people, and create an online course or offline course, mastermind or workshop, okay? And you can use this information to drive your customers to your online course. The link takes them to the sale, which is your online course, so you can directly make money from this, okay? As well as educate your customers about what it is that you do, okay, and why. All right, so that's going to drive more sales, all right, as well as you can make money from the actual course or mastermind or workshop. I hope that makes sense to you. Does that make sense? Are you with me? Okay, go click on the link down below so that you don't miss out, because registrations are now open, but this event will happen on the 27th of February, okay? So I don't want you to miss out on that. So go to click on the link now, like, share, subscribe, so you can, I can teach you more stuff, okay? Because it's all useful stuff, okay? Thank you for joining me. I'm Miranda Wright. Bye for now. Mwah!